Okay, so we're going to sing a song called Mary Mack's Mother. We'll just do the chorus part. So the words are Mary Mack's mother's macking Mary Mack, marry me. My mother's macking me, marry Mary Mack. I'm gonna marry Mary, so Mary will take care of me. And we'll all be macking merry when I marry Mary Mack. So we're going to split into 3 parts. We're going to have the chorus, we're going to have a bass part, and we're going to have a chord part as well. Let's go for it. 1, what's that mean? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, go.
Mack, Mack, Mary Mack, Mary Mack, 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 Mary Mack, Mary Mack,
Mary Mack's mother's macking Mary Mack, marry me. My mother's macking me, marry Mary Mack. I'm gonna marry Mary. Mary Mack's a kid, and me will all be macking Mary when I marry Mary Mack. Mary Mack's mother's macking Mary Mack, marry me. My mother's macking me, marry Mary Mack. I'm gonna marry Mary. Mary Mack's a kid, and me will all be macking Mary when I marry Mary Mack. There you go. Done.